Welcome to our online class. I am Ehsan Al Mamun, Kishore Adarsh Girls High School. Today we discuss English for today for class 9-10. We discuss today Unit 5, Are We Aware? And Lesson 5, Let's Become Skilled Workforce. So, let's read the passage. Today there are many jobs where you need English. This is because the world has become smaller. Vast distances are shortened by speedy transport. We can talk to a person thousands of kilometers away from the phone or the internet. So we can communicate with the whole world easily. English has made this communication easier. There are many countries in the world with many languages, but communication with them, you cannot use all the languages. So you need a common language that you can use with more or less all people in the world. English is that common language. You can talk to a Chinese toy maker, a French artist, and an Arab ambassador or a Korean builder in one language, English. English for us in Bangladesh is all more important. As we have seen earlier, we are too many people in a small country. So if you learn English, you have the best opportunity to find a good job, both within and outside the country. And that is good news for millions of our unemployment youths. But, miss, we learned English for 12 or 14 years, yet we don't find good jobs, says Rumi. She then tells the class about what happened to her brother. Could you please tell us why? Rumi asks. This is a very important question, Rumi. We should learn how to use English both orally and in writing for doing things as needed in our work, such as communicating with others at personal, social, national, and international levels. But unfortunately, at the moment we are learning English mainly for exams, continues Mrs. Choudhury. Remember, English can greatly help you become skilled workers. But where and how can we learn such kind of English, miss? Asks Ratan. Miss Choudhury says, we can learn English both in and outside the classroom. Besides your textbooks, the radio, television, newspapers, magazines, computers, and other supplementary materials will greatly help you during your classroom activities. We will see how we can learn English. Now we discuss about the questions. Number E, write a paragraph by rearranging the following sentences or sentence parts. Number 1, you can learn a common language in and outside the classroom. Number 2, you cannot speak all the languages of different people of different countries to communicate with them. Number 3, for example, you can do business with a Chinese, a Japanese, a French, an Arab, or a Nigerian if you know English. Number 4, also other things like the radio, TV, computers, and newspapers can help you learn English. Number 5, there are Therefore, you need a common language instead of English, which is understood by people more or less all over the world. Question number F. Discuss in groups and write answers to the questions. Number 1. Describe briefly the things that have made the present world smaller. Number 2. Give reasons why a common language is needed in today's world. Number 3. Why is English needed all the more in Bangladesh? Number 4. How can our youth become a skilled workforce? And the last question, you have a project. Number Z. Find out how many people in your village or locally can speak or write English for communication. State their age, education and professions. So thank you. Stay home and be safe. Thank you.